Here's how to get funding for your trucking business. Now, here's the reality. We have funded people in every type of business, brick and mortar, truckers, doctors, online businesses, e-com, info. We have done literally everything at this point. And I'm actually personally, my name is Jake. I'm a partner, an independent broker of David Allen Capital. And these guys are going to get you the best offers. Right below this video, you're going to see a link in the description that'll take you to this page. One of my favorite things about them, and this is the reason we use them as our provider exclusively now because they have been crushing for our clients, is they have this $500 meter beat guarantee. So what you should obviously do is go down, apply now, and they're going to go to the top business funders out there and get you the best approvals. They consistently get the best offers, and they are able to turn it around as fast as anyone in the industry. And so what they do with the 500 guarantee is apply with them, apply with other companies as well. And if anyone beats theirs, they will give you $500 because they are so confident that they will beat anyone out there. You can see the stipulations of all that right down there. But these guys have proven time and time again, they've actually never had to pay that out because they beat other people's offers. So make sure to go down here, apply now, get the money you need for your business, whether it's to save something that you have going on that was an emergency, or whether it's just to continue to grow your business. Go down right below this video, click this link, watch this video from the founder of David Allen Capital, read through this. This answers a lot of the questions you might have, and apply now to get some of the best rates that you are going to find for your business.